Pardon me.
One important rule of travel: if you jump on a moving sidewalk, make sure it's going the same way you want to go. But no matter how fast George went, that suitcase went faster.
Would the parent or guardian of a little lost monkey please report to the information desk?
Oh, I can't thank you enough. Not a problem. How about we check on our flight again?
Oh, dear. It says here your plane might be canceled altogether.
Oh.
It was a mover maze, but not for people. Luggage got to have all the fun.